Now to some shocking new numbers out tonight showing Sacramento County's homeless population has nearly doubled in 3 years. There are now over 9,200 unhoused people, more than in San Francisco. In fact, the numbers show that San Francisco's unhoused population has gone down.
So what is happening in Sacramento? CBS 13's reporter Madison Keevy joining us, getting answers. Hey, Madison.
Yeah, absolutely. That's the question. What is happening? And it's a lack of mental health facilities and treatment programs. There's not enough shelter for the nearly 10,000 who are living unhoused. And then, of course, add to that the rising cost of housing. Three things that have been cited to me as factors that contributed to the 67% increase in this homeless population. So the question, how did San Francisco decrease the number of people living on the streets? One advocate says Sacramento may want to follow their lead. Drive through parts of Sacramento, and the findings of the point-in-time count may not be a surprise. But city leaders say it should be a wake-up call.
Sacramento has done a terrible job of addressing homelessness, and we've become a magnet from across the country for people to come here.
That's the CEO of the Sacramento Region Business Association, answering why Sacramento's numbers outpaced San Francisco.
Average rent for a one-bedroom apartment is around $1,800–$1,900 a month. That is unsustainable.
A lack of affordable housing, an answer to why Sacramento's unhoused population has nearly doubled since the last count in 2019. On housing, Sacramento Mayor Darrell Steinberg said, quote, "The city will continue to do our part wherever we can, which is to create safe grounds, respite, shelters, motels, and navigation services wherever we can, but that's not enough."
We need to turn off the spigot of why people get into homelessness.
And that, some say, starts with a plan for individuals, not the entire population.
A solution for women and children would be very different, right, than a veteran who is dealing with mental health issues and untreated fentanyl addiction, right? And we have everything in between.
What works? The city's Home Key program to convert 3 motels into permanent supportive housing. Add to that the Capitol Park Hotel downtown, also in the process of being converted. In San Francisco, voters passed a wealth tax that was reinvested in homeless services, something one advocate said could very well work for Sacramento.
Actually, it's a good model for yet another way to increase revenue in our community and other communities up and down the state.
Something that was pointed out to me in that report is that the pandemic was not as big of a factor contributing to the increase as some advocates thought that it would be. Many who were surveyed said that they were experiencing homelessness before the pandemic, and a majority of those had been unhoused for at least 3 years. So that was something that was kind of shocking even to advocates who do this work day in and day out.
Yeah, and I think the big takeaway, Sacramento now has more homeless than San Francisco. Just a stunning update.
Yeah,
right.
Absolutely. Not expected for those that aren't really paying attention to this every day.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Madison.